So, andito tayo ngayon sa California Garden Square in Mandaluyong City to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit, Fairfax Tower 2. First floor lang po tayo. This is a 2-bedroom unit, loft type. This is as is where is. Upon turnover and submission of offer is first come, first serve. But if there are multiple offers, a bidding may be conducted. This is the kitchen area and with a storage room. We also have the laundry area and the bathroom here on the first floor. As you can see, medyo madumi yung unit and kailangan ng deep cleaning and some repairs to make it livable. Here in the second floor, we have the primary room with own bathroom and the second bedroom. So the details of this property are flashed on this video. This is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment and 80% balance bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. Ang maganda talaga sa condo na to, aside from affordable price na below market and zonal value at 65,000 per square meter is also the location. Gitna lang siya, malapit sa Rockwell Center Makati, Ortigas Center, BGC, and MRT Shaw. Also within the premise of this township condo, we have several commercial establishments like convenience stores, McDonald's, Robinsons Supermarket, Popeyes, Starbucks, and many more. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a showing appointment, please message us directly. Ito yung pinaka-amenity area niya.